Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, it is now quarter to 11, and I am day of today, and I will be moving out from the room, and will be back here in this table. Yeah, and the room is cold. Here is still a little cold. The temperature less than 20 degrees. Yeah, still comfortable to wear something like a jumper, sweater, jacket. Yeah, and yeah, I'm now cooking the rice, and because I'm feeling cold. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm feeling cold and feel like sleepy. So I'm going to take a shower. So I'll be energized again. And we maybe are going out. We're just going to eat in the restaurant because I'm hungry. Okay, we are now here in the Chinese restaurant. I bring my own water, and then later on I'm going to buy a coffee and I'll put it here. I don't know if you can see that lady doing the delivery. Yeah, she also delivering food in supplies in our restaurant, in our hotel, and she's beautiful. For me, she can be a model, she can be an actress. But she's doing delivery, and she is kind too, because in some country you don't see much ladies doing that kind of job, but here you feel the equality of the people. This is what I'm going to have, the same like always: spring roll, fried rice, and that, and it costs $14. Yeah, no drinks. Okay, I'm very much satisfied and full with the food that I eat. It is just fried rice with some vegetable, and I think it's ham or maybe maling. And now we're going to buy a cappuccino in this coffee shop. Oh, look at this, there's one beautiful car. Yeah, every time that we need to get inside the restaurant, you need to log in. Yeah, it's like getting inside the workplace. You need to sign in. And some restaurant and some establishment, they are modern. They are using technology. Yeah, you just need to scan their barcode, and yeah, you're logged in already. So basically you scan the code. Yeah, I think it's the same in everywhere, you know already how it works. But yeah, some restaurants are still using the manual one that you need to sign in the logbook. It is just so good to stay under the sun. Yeah, because the sun is not really hot, but the breeze is just good. But if you're in the water, for sure it will be feeling cold. there is one helicopter, and there is a Thai, and there is something below them. Yeah, it's like carrying that kind of thing, I don't know. Yeah, and at the moment many people are fishing in here. I think they are a group of friends. Also there's one guy here. Nice. Yeah, that is Mr. Mick. Yeah, nice. Yeah, thank you, Mr. Mick. I really appreciate that. Yeah, so basically I was just sitting here, and he was on the bike and approached me, and yeah, he recognized me, and yeah, he reminds me all the videos that I uploaded on YouTube. It's good. Yeah, he lives in Shoal Bay. Okay, we're going to sit here. Going to leave the bike there, and we're going to have a closer look in the water. I don't think it is going to disturb anyone else because yeah, it's on the very side, and like always there's this pelican. But we get closer because this looks very big this time, especially this one. Okay, we go to the water. Yo, at the moment I am chatting with Inigo and Drop. We are now in the grocery. We leave the bike there and we go inside. We are here in the grocery because we're going to buy milk. Yeah, I already took this banana 5 pieces, and it's $3.50. The milk is this one, the lactose free one, because if I drink the normal full cream milk, I need to go to the toilet after. That's why I'm taking this lactose free. This is $1.70. And we are also going to take one instant soup. Where are they? Oh, they are not here anymore. Oh, this one. This mushroom, 4 pieces, and it's $2. Yeah, it contains 4 pieces. I don't like the tomato. You also take 2 pieces of this. This one, it contains only 2 pieces, and it's $2. Today this is just $1.30. We're going to take one because one of these days we're going to make a pizza with pineapple. Oh, tomorrow we're going to have a long drive going to Jervis Bay, and I forgot the name of the beach, but it says to be the whitest sand in the whole wide world. Yeah, we're going to take something to eat while on the road. Maybe this one. This is $3.50, and we're also going to take one of these. This is just $1.85. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now. Today I finished at 2 o'clock, And look at that, there is one guy doing the kite surfing. I feel that kite surfing materials is not expensive. I mean, if you are here and you like to do that, for sure you're going to buy one of that equipment. I arrived at 2:30. It is now already 3:35, and I ran to the toilet because I need to use the toilet. Yeah, I also did my lunch. I already eat. It's a little burn. The chili con carne that I cooked yesterday or 2 days ago, that I keep in the chiller and I put in and I reheat today. I went to the toilet, and when I come back, it's burn with egg. I didn't show you because it's burn.